Welcome back. I hope you are feeling awesome. As a part of this video, we'll understand a couple of DDL statements which are very important. Let us look at drop and truncate DDL statements. When you have created the databases or tables, do you always use them? Do you always keep them for a lifetime? Not necessarily. Sometimes you may, sometimes you may not. You may encounter a situation or you may face a situation where you may have to delete the database or table. That is when we can use the drop. Drop. Are you talking about a drop of a water? Nah. We are talking about a drop, which is a part of DDL statements. So what does drop do? Drop command is used to delete or remove the database objects from the SQL database, including the database itself. See, it is a command used to delete or remove the database objects from the SQL database. All it is doing is deleting the either a table or a view or any database object. How does it work? What is the syntax for that? Very, very simple. Say drop, and if you want to drop a table, say table, and provide the name of the table you want to drop. Like drop table students. I'm trying to drop a table named students. And what exactly happens? This whole table will be removed after dropping it. Next, we'll understand what is truncate. What exactly is a truncate? Truncate command deletes or removes all the records from the table. Pay attention here. It deletes or removes all the records from the table. Then what exactly is the difference between the delete and truncate, which is the most often asked question in most of the interviews? So let me iterate here. Truncate command deletes or removes all the records from the table. Means in case of drop, both the structure and data is deleted. But in case of truncate, only the data is deleted. Structure remains intact here. When I say structure, I'm talking about a table structure or a schema. So truncate command deletes or removes all the records from the table. Like this, if we have a table, after truncate, it will have a empty table without any data. So what is the syntax for this? Very simple. Say truncate and provide the table name. If you are trying to truncate a table, then let us look at the example. When you say truncate students, let us say this is our students table, and after truncate, it deletes all the data and the table is empty. So remember, drop deletes structure and data. Truncate deletes only the data. Awesome. Let us look at the hands-on for this. Okay, I hope you have logged into MySQL. So what I will do is I will go ahead and use a database which I have created. So use Blissmas Academy. Okay, let me see what are the tables here. Say show tables, and in this case we have some tables like persons, student, all those. Okay, so let me go ahead and see what is the data in persons one. Looks like there is no data. Let me look at the table where we have a data. Let's say select star from persons. Okay, we do have a data. So if we want to delete this table, all you have to do is drop table and persons. If you look at the tables now, persons is gone. Try to access the data from that. I know it will not work. Okay, person doesn't exist. This is how you delete the table, by dropping it. When you drop a table, both the structure and the data is gone. Let us look at how the truncate works. As we discussed, truncate keeps the structure and schema intact. It deletes only the data. Let us look at any of the tables and say select star from results. I just want to see we have a data here. We have some Ramana, Alia, Kriti. Okay. So if I say truncate table results and say show tables, still the results table exists, but will we have a data within this? Let us check that. Select star from results. There is no data because we truncated it. As I said, truncate deletes the data but keeps the structure intact. How do I check that? Say results. We do have a schema or structure intact. Wonderful. We understood what is drop and what is truncate as a part of this video. Please do practice. Thank you.